I have a story to share that will make you think twice before diving headfirst into the fast-paced world of day trading. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let me talk about how I lost a whopping £75,000 in just one day trading crude oil. Picture this. In the excitement of being able to make potentially massive profits within a matter of hours, the adrenaline rush as you track every market fluctuation, and the allure of financial freedom. Day trading can be like a roller coaster ride, but sometimes that ride can take an unexpected turn. Today I'm going to share with you a story of how I found myself on the bottom of that wild ride, losing a staggering £75,000. Now, don't get me wrong, day trading can be incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with its fair share of risk. It's crucial to understand the potential pitfalls before diving in headfirst. And that's why I'm here today, to give you an honest, first-hand account of my experience so that you can avoid making the same mistake. Now, I'm sure many of you are wondering how someone could lose such a significant amount of money in just one day. Well, it wasn't difficult. In fact, I had spent countless hours studying the markets, refining my strategies, and analyzing trends. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through the highs and lows of that fateful day when everything went south. I will share the lessons I've learned along the way and how I've grown as a trader since then. It's my hope that by sharing my story, you'll gain valuable insights and avoid the costly pitfalls that I encountered. So, buckle up my friend, because this is a cautionary tale you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the roller coaster ride that was my £75,000. 23rd of June 2023. Morning session. Before that fateful day, the price had been experiencing significant fluctuations during the morning session due to various economical factors. It seems like the perfect opportunity to capitalize on these price movements and make some substantial profit. 9:30 a.m. Confidence was running high as I entered the trading session. I opened the chart to analyze supply and demand dynamics. I thought I had accounted for every possible outcome. Little did I know, the market had other plans in store for me. 9:52 a.m. As the trading session began, I executed my first trade of 9,000 barrels. That's over £600,000, right at the bottom VWAP, with the anticipation of a reversal. The initial moments seemed promising as the price of crude oil moved in my favor. But then, like a sudden storm, the market took an unexpected turn. The price had been experiencing significant fluctuations due to the various economical factors. It seems like the perfect storm. The interest rates in the UK went up again, and I got it completely wrong. Prices started to plummet rapidly, catching me completely off guard. I kept my cool and I sat in as I watched my potential profits vanish into thin air. As I have been in a situation like this before, I thought, I've got this. 10:44 a.m. minus £2,600. After the initial drop, the price began to consolidate at the new low of the day. Looking and hoping for a reversal, I went and took another 12,000 barrels position. I frantically tried to make sense of the situation, analyzing charts and searching for a sign of a reversal. But the market was relentless and my hopes were crushed with each passing minute. 12:23 p.m. minus £12,800. The emotional roller coaster was intense. In this moment, doubt and regret can start to creep in. I questioned my decisions, wondering if I had missed something crucial. In my desperation to salvage the situation, I took another 12,000 barrel position, making an impulsive and irrational decision that only increased my losses. Looking back, I realized that my downfall wasn't solely due to the market's condition. It was also a result of letting my emotions overpower my rational thinking. Fear and panic clouded my judgment, leading to poor decision making and further losses. It became clear that I had underestimated the importance of risk management. I had failed to set proper stop loss orders and I had not defined my risk tolerance. This left me vulnerable to substantial losses when the market turned against me. This experience served as a stark reminder that day trading, while exciting, requires discipline and well-defined trading plan. It's crucial to approach the market with a calm and rational mindset, even in the face of adversity. Now, let's get into the actual trading experience, exploring the decisions I made, the consequences they had, the valuable lessons I learned along the way, and how I let them accumulate to a £75,000 loss. 3:30 p.m. minus £62,000. As the market turned against me, panic began to grip my every thought. I found myself in a withdrawal of emotions, desperately trying to regain control of the situation. But the market's relentless downward spiral seemed unstoppable. The losses piled up and I found myself in a deep hole, both financially and emotionally. I then reached another stupid decision. I decided to keep them overnight with hopes that the market will come back. 7 a.m. minus £71,428. It didn't work very well. It was only a matter of hours before I get my first margin call. I wanted to avoid that, so what I did, I closed all my positions at £75,000 loss. It was a humbling experience that forced me to confront my weaknesses as a trader and grow further in my pursuit of day trading perfection. Looking back, I realized that I had neglected a fundamental aspect of successful trading: risk management. I had failed to set proper stop-loss orders and I had underestimated the potential downside of the market. This left me vulnerable and amplified the impact of the unexpected downturn. But amidst the pain and regret, I knew that I had to find a way to learn from this experience. I couldn't let this setback define me as a day trader. I vowed to pick myself up, grow stronger, and use this experience as a catalyst for a change. I vividly remember watching the red candles engulf the chart, erasing any hopes of a quick recovery. At this moment, fear took over and rational thinking was thrown out of the window. I made an impulsive decisions in a desperate attempt to turn the tide. Instead of sticking to my initial strategy and remaining disciplined, I deviated from my plan. I began chasing the market, hoping to catch a reversal that never came. Each trade I executed only deepened my losses, compounding the initial blow. It was a harsh realization that emotions can be our worst enemy in the world of trading. Acting out of fear and panic lead to poor decision making and amplified losses. The market, as unforgiving as it can be, exposed my vulnerabilities and punished my impulsive actions. In the aftermath of that chaotic day, I spent hours analyzing my trades and reflecting on the decisions I had made. It became evident that I had neglected a crucial aspect of day trading, and that is risk management. By failing to set appropriate stop-loss orders and adequately assess the potential downside, I left myself exposed to significant losses. This experience taught me the paramount importance of implementing proper risk management strategies. It's not just about aiming for high profits, it's about protecting your capital and limiting your losses. Setting clear stop-loss orders, defining risk tolerance, and having a risk management plan in place are essential components of successful day trading. Another critical lesson I learned from this experience is the danger of chasing quick profits. The chances of making up for losses in a single trade can lead to reckless decision-making and emotional trading. Day trading requires patience, discipline, and focus on the consistency rather than the gains. Trading is a long-term game, and it's crucial to adopt a mindset that values patience and consistency over impulsive actions. Every decision should be based on a well-thought-out strategy, and the focus should be on executing that strategy consistently rather than trying to make up for losses in a single trade. Now, it's time to reflect on the mistakes I've made and the valuable lessons I learned along the way. Losing £75,000 make me think again that trading is not just about making profits, it's about risk management. Controlling emotions and staying disciplined is vital to successful day trading. By acknowledging these crucial aspects, we can improve our trading skills and increase our chances for long-term success. After experiencing such a significant loss, I knew I couldn't let it define my trading journey. Instead, I chose to view it as a stepping stone towards becoming a better and more resilient trader. The first step I took was to assess and reassess my trading strategy. I also recognized the need for practical experience. I started with smaller position sizes, focusing on consistency and building confidence gradually. I tracked and analyzed every trade, identifying patterns and areas for improvements. This deliberate practice allowed me to refine my skills and gain a deeper understanding of the markets and myself as a day trader. Trading is not just about numbers and charts, it's also about mental fortitude. I worked on cultivating a positive and resilient mindset, learning to embrace both wins and losses as opportunities for growth. I focused on managing my emotions and maintaining a long-term perspective, knowing that success in trading is a journey, not an overnight achievement. Through consistent effort and commitment for improvement, I gradually regained my confidence and started seeing positive results. I began rebuilding my trading account, using the lessons I learned from my past mistakes to guide my decision making. For those of you who may have experienced setbacks or losses in your trading journey, remember that it's never too late to bounce back. Use these experiences as a stepping stones for your growth and education. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your strategies, and keep pushing forward. The path to success is rarely straight, but with determination and resilience, you can overcome any obstacles. And that concludes my story of losing £75,000 in one day. It was a painful experience, but one that has transformed me into a more cautious, disciplined and resilient trader. I hope that by sharing my journey, I've provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to navigate the world of day trading more effectively. Remember, trading is a continuous learning process. Embrace the challenges, embrace the lessons, and never stop striving to become the best trader you can be.